Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Western Union transfer in progress. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into your account. Access your Western Union account via their website or you can use Western mobile application. First of all, just simply click on the login button. I have already logged in, so I don't need to click on the login. So after logging in the Western Union, just find these three lines, hover on the three lines, or if you are using mobile, just simply click on the three lines. It will appear something like this. From here you have to search for history. As you can see here, just simply click on history. This will display all your recent transaction. Right now I haven't done any transaction, so it's not showing anything on my side. If you have sent money in the past, you will get to see this transfer, uh, all the transaction here. Now select the transaction, find the specific transfer you want to cancel. Note that you can only cancel transfer that are still pending or available now. Complete transfer cannot be cancelled. So initial cancellation, click on the transfer you wish to cancel. Look for the cancel option, which should be available if the transfer hasn't been picked up yet. If you are using mobile phone, click on the more options actions, now represented by three dots, and select cancel transfer. Now you have to provide cancellation reason. You may be prompted to select a reason for the cancellation. Now you have to confirm the cancellation. After that, you will get the refund process. After cancellation, expect a refund of the principal amount and possibly fees, which may take up to 7 business days to process. So this is how you can cancel Western Union transfer in progress. If this found video helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.